Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everybody. Just throwing together a quick video here. It took me a while to figure out how exactly to get this side panel off the Triumph Sprint ST1050. I've not seen any manuals, I don't have any manuals, I couldn't really find anything online. And there's a couple of hidden bolts I figured people should be aware of just in this very quick video. So the obvious bolts that come out are all the ones that you can see along the outside. There's 3 along the inside. Then we need to remove or slide out of the way the triangle at the back, and we've got another little hidden bolt down at the down in here, and that allows that to open up. It's just this one right here, just ticked in the corner, and that's hidden behind this. You don't need to fully remove it, you can definitely just lean it out of the way like I have. The other one requires removing the infill slightly up and under here, just under where your lock would be, about here, nicely hidden away. And now my panel is looking about ready to come off. There we go. So if we just double check that I've not snapped anything, we've got 1 there, 2 on the very bottom, a hidden one here, which turns into the 3 coming up the side, and then the 3 along the top. Nothing seems to have broken or snapped, so well, we definitely need a clean, but we're good to go. It's just a little quick video to show you where the hidden 2 connections were. One up here behind the infill, I do apologise for the quickness of the phone, and one down here behind our little triangle. Have a good day.